Usisahau kusubscribe, kucomment, kulike na kushare ili kuwa kwanza kupata habari mbalimbali kutoka Dar24 Media.
Baada ya kuweza kuweka heshima katika ukumbi wa PTA Sabasaba Temeke Dar es Salaam, Shimanga Katompa pamoja na kocha wake Junior Asoya, tumepata nafasi ya kuweza kuzungumza nao. Amempiga Dula Mbabe kiboko ya wageni. Yeye anaitwa B52, Kongo anamtambua hivyo, na sehemu nyingine ambapo amewahi kuiwakilisha vizuri nchi yake ya Kongo. Sasa leo tunazungumza nao kwa sababu kuna taarifa zimetoka, kuna pambano wanaenda kupambana na Twa Kasim Kiduku mwezi wa 12. Ukweli wa taarifa hizo, lakini pia watatuambia kwa namna gani walivyojiandaa katika pambano ambalo lililopita dhidi ya Dula Mbabe na kuweza kupata ushindi. Kocha yake anaitwa Junior Asoya, yeye anaitwa Shimanga Katompa, lakini Junior Asoya pia alikuwa ni bondea zamani, former boxer, na atatuambia kwa namna gani amepata connection nzuri ya kuwaleta mabondia kutoka Kongo na sehemu zingine na kuja Tanzania kwa ajili ya kuweza kuwatafutia mapambano. Copa Faster, tuwasikilize kwanza.
Copa Faster Microfinance ni taasisi ya kifedha inayojishughulisha na utoaji mikopo, na tuna aina mbalimbali ya mikopo yetu. Tuna mkopo ambao unaitwa mtaji PAP. Huu ni mkopo kwa ajili ya wajasiriamali kwa lengo kuu kukuza na kuendeleza biashara yake. Lakini pia tuna aina nyingine ya mkopo unaitwa Nivush. Huu ni mkopo unaowalenga wafanyakazi kutoka kampuni binafsi. Huu mkopo unatolewa kama mshahara wa awali au kwa Kiingereza tunasema advance salary. Ili mfanyakazi aweze kunufaika na mkopo wetu, sisi Copa Faster tunaingia mkataba na kampuni husika, na hapo ndipo mfanyakazi anaweza akapatiwa mkopo.
Now let's talk about the fight here in Tanzania to your boxer, and how tough and sweet was the win against Dula Mbabe.
Alobi oloba onino monaki makasi na kombana oyo Abdullah na onino monaki ngeza facile comme facile panao ndi yango tu
bon na banda kopesa Abdullah Mbappe mbote place azali, et puis courage na ye. Et c'est un bon boxeur parce que aza boxeur mo munene ya makasi, aza na talent na ye. Na banda na zwaka ta kotala ye pendant que banosanga ke funa bunda na ye. Na ye point fort na ye eza loboko ne à droite. Il a la force de frappe. Il a la force de frappe. Raison pour laquelle na boyaki ko ça l'affrontement mingi na ye parce que o eza lokola l'élément principal est pas na, il a la force avec lui.
In the first of all, he's gonna say he's greeting Abdullah Mbabe, his opponent, his former opponent. He's greeting him, he's got much respect to him because he's a strong boxer, he's a good boxer. He's a boxer the way he is. You have respect to him, to Abdullah Mbabe, and you thank him about everything they done in the ring, So but Abdullah he's got a good right hand, you understand? But because he's preparing for those right hand, he was there to prepare for him for long. That's why you saw what you see, So that's what he's trying to say.
Donc Nangina Lobake force azala force de frappe. Et on a peine comment na ezaki un peu facile pour que na dominer. J'en ai là qui rapidité na déplacement na boya ki telema parce que style oya salaka il y a en tant que connière na peine na style wana. Alors tant que kuta na boxeur au besoin la style moko, il faut au moins ko se distinguer au sa la style mususu. Ya mona qui vit que naza entouré na ba coach oyo ba yebi mingi ba ekolisanga kaka teke, il faut ko gaza na style moko offensif ya kokende ba tangisinga pe style défensif oyo na kei na koki pe kozonga. Yango na profiter na pe sa coach Michel Mbote, na pe si coach Aimé Chomba Mbote, et puis coach Junior Asoya Kambia même à sur place na pe si ba fleur ebele lisusu pona coaching ya suka après avoir total Italie ba défaut ba erreur oya Abdullah Mbappe azaki na yango to lobi oui to se baser plus na ba erreur oya za na yango nde permettre biso to ba ndenge nini ya kozwa ba technique pour que to meka ko pesa chance te to déplacer to tambwisa ring mobimba yango mona to réussisaki coup de chapeau na ba coach na nyonso. surtout beaucoup plus na coach Junior Asoya autres années.
He realized that Abdullah is got power. He is a fighter. He himself, he can be a fighter. He can be playing, you know. So in the team, we were sitting, we playing. No, look, we can't be two fighting in the ring. So we have to be giving here to fight, and then to give him what he want, what he deserve, you know. So that's why he was doing that, because he can fight. I know my dog, he can fight for sure. So he couldn't wanted to do that because he was leaving that to get a gap after the fight, after me fight, you know. So those are the plan of the game, you know. So they are, because I'll say for myself, I'm not just the only coach I'm with him, you know. There are some coach in Congo, because I'm in South Africa, they are coach in Congo who they train him, Coach Michel, you know, who they train him. I give them a plan as a coach, as a colleague, what we're gonna do, what that the preparation is. And then when he come here, we're having already tactic, like I know, because we're following it on the phone, whatever we want to do. You see, like that's why even now, on this fight, we're fighting for ABU. It's gonna be 2 weeks in South Africa with me. Then we come from South Africa to be here because this is a title. We know what we wanna do. So it was a plan. You understand? It was a plan. When he was trying to hit hard, as we are moving. When we're moving, we hit him. That was that.
Bwana, ufafanuzi kutoka kwa Junior Asoya, alibadilisha game plani katikati ya mchezo baada ya kusema hapana bwana, hatuwezi kuwa na wapiganaji wawili katika ringi. We can't have two fighters in the same ring. Let him fight and we play with our game plan. Yes, so kwa walikuwa wakicheza na mpango wao tu, ni kutoka kwa kocha wa Shimanga Katompa. Did you expect to perform like the way you did?
Alobi, eske ozaki na idée, oyaki na espoir na idée que non oko performer, oko sala combat bongo ndenge elekaki.
Effectivement, parce que tant on a longé pendant ngai, tout ça les trajectoires à Moulaï. Donc na longé Congo, na komi na Addis Abeba na komi na Tanzanie. Et ça qui na décision avec objectivité. Il y a que ça là, il y a motuya vraiment, il y a vraiment important. Sinon, na koka que fan n'est pas en Congo, na lobi que oui coach Asoya, je ne viens pas. Mais quand je reçois l'appel, il y a coach, na bi bon. Ngongalanga ekoki, il faut dans avion na mata. Ndo moi na se retrouver na Tanzanie. Koko malanga na Tanzanie, bo pesa nga miko kuna na jour ya pesé. Et ceux qui vont se rappeler, na loba qui n'est que ça tourisme été na yene pour que na ça quelque chose, ça veut dire na ça qui déjà na mutu na que non ça la combat oyo et que ça la combat exceptionnel. Donc c'est un peu ça.
He said yes, he came here, he do know that because he was preparing for that. And then if he didn't know that, he could never come here to leave Congo, me to leave where I stay to come here in Tanzania, you know. He said again, remember that he told you having that on your, he said, I didn't come here for tourism. I come here to make my name. So that's what he's trying to say. So he do know already any plan who will gonna happen. Yeah. So that's what he said.
Shimanga Katompa tulizungumza na kocha wake Junior Asoya kabla ya mahojiano haya, lakini pia kabla ya pambano lake dhidi ya Dula Mbabe. Alisema hatukuja hapa kwa ajili ya utalii, tumetoka Kongo, tumekuja Tanzania kwa ajili ya kufanya kazi tu, na kazi imefanyika. How much did you know about your opponents?
Alobi oyebi eske nini oyebi pa ya Abdullah? Nini oyebaki pa Abdullah?
O na yebaki pa Abdullah abandaka malamu alembaka noki.
He said, what I know to Abdullah, he start the fight, and then he get tired because he can't finish the fight. Because he want to fight, but he can't finish the fight. That's what he knows. You know? Yeah.
What adjustments did you have to do in order to win the match?
Abi alingalo babwe, nini oye bakisama ki vraiment pour comprendre, pour to gagner combat. Donc, stratégie à 4, c'est nini?
Nazana na kati ya Tanzanie. Nazana na kati ya Tanzanie. Nakoki ko bimisa nyonso publiquement te. Parce que biloko mususu eza na sima. Nakoki ko dévoiler nyonso publiquement te. Oyo bomonaki na bombi pe mususu bokomona ntango na kosilisa oyo naye kosala awa na Tanzanie nde na koyebisa bino sikoyo oyo eza important.
You know, he saw what he saw, but I'm sorry, he can't tell you guys all deep secret. These are strategic of boxing. Remember that we are gonna fight the number 1. We beat number 2. Now we're gonna fight number 1. You know, so tell me if we going there to talk all our strategic there, it's gonna be a problem. You know, so that's what he said.
One of the reasons Dulan Mbabe lost the fight is the last minutes of age of opponents. What did you say about that?
No, look, I'll say to you this. If a boxer say that, I call my boxer 10 days before the fight. I call him 10 days before the fight. He's supposed to fight, Abdullah is supposed to fight Alex Kabango. But I twist because Alex Kabango, he getting injured. So I call him 10 days because he was in the gym. So if he said that is his reason, I enter Norway. When you're in the ring, when you are accepted to go to a weigh-in, you meet the guy, you say he said that he's gonna knock my boxer around 1. He was there. So why you saying you knock my boxer around 1 when he didn't know that I'm not ready for this guy? So what he was talking about? That's not a reason. Sorry.
Licha ya Dulan Mbabe kusema kwamba nilibadilishiwa mpinzani dakika za mwisho, lakini Junior Soya hapa anasema kwamba alimtafuta Katompa 10 days before kwamba kuna pambano dhidi ya Dula akajiandaa. Kwa hiyo sio sababu ya kuweza kusema kwamba labda akapoteza kwa sababu amebadilishiwa mpinzani. Hata Shimanga Katompa yeye mwenyewe pia alitafutwa siku 10 zilikuwa zimebaki kuelekea pambano dhidi ya Dulan Mbabe. Do you think he will ever fight again after your beating?
Alobi eske okobunda na okolingo bunda isusu na muto betaki obunda isu na ye.
Ceux qui ba organisateur ba pesi occasion na kolemba te kobunda parce que boxe eza o nzamba pesi ngai kobunda eza musala o nga na poni. Ceux qui promoteur a monani, ceux qui promoteur e monani na bunda lisusu na Abdul nakoya na kobunda lisusu nakoya.
Yeah, he said this. He doesn't have a problem for that. If the promoter can come out, it's a business. If the promoter can come out to put the business in the table, we talk. You come and then you fight. Yes, Abdullah. If the promoter bring the things, but he's not interested. But because he is a boxer, boxing is a business. Like me, I'll say like me, I'm his coach, I'm his manager. Look, boxing is a stepping up, not stepping down. You understand? When I hit you, I go. When I hit you, I go. When you hit me, you go. So not you want to go up or you want to go down. So that's why we say we beat number 2. We won number 1. We hit number 1. We finish for Tanzania for super middleweight. That's it. We close the chapter.
Shimanga Katompa, in which round did you feel like you were winning the fight?
À
partir il y a 5e round, na monnaie a gagné combat parce que na comprenait que na mené déjà. Premier round, 2e, 3e, 4e, d'ailleurs na koloba a gagné ngata round de mon côté. On a évité ceux qui n'a s'est trompé. Quant à moi, du premier round jusqu'au 10e round, na une domination sur lui. Donc déjà parti à 5e round, Nazaraki déjà na plaisir à Kolobake 5 au etikali et na ça la formalité na continuer na rythme wana pour que na gagner combat. Déjà parti à 5e combat, na comprenait que les combats étaient déjà faciles pour Nangai pour na ça qui les tire malamu à travers coach tant on a qui le ring.
From round 5 that is so already now I'm already guaranteed, you know, I have a guarantee already. So and then after that, because I was with my coach and then he was coaching to tell me what to do and then he was doing what I was telling him. So he knows, okay, no, I win already 5 rounds. So this 5 round we share, but I don't remember if he won even 1 round. You understand? That's what he said, you understand? So he saw that, okay, he was the best, the top of the best, and then just doing his things. So that's what was it, you know? After 5 rounds, after round 1 or round 5, that's he saw he won already his fight. just to control the fight, to maintain the fight the way my coach was telling me.
Shimanga Katompa, kwa mujibu wa maelezo ya Junior Asoya, baada ya raundi ya 5 alikuwa ameona kabisa ameshaanza kuona ushindi hapa. Kitu ambacho alichokuwa kikifanya ni kuweza kulinda ushindi wake, alama zake, na mwisho wa siku kuweza kutangaza mshindi. Junior Asoya, I have 3 last question shortly. What was the last advice to your boxer?
My advice is what? You know, this now I know you are a journalist. You want to know deep, I know. Because look, we're having something it's coming up here. So I will say, but we change. I change the game. I change the game because I know what to do. You know, my advice was what? I don't want to fight, what do you call it, Abdullah. Don't fight him. Box him. Box him, don't fight him. That's why I was boxing him. He was standing in front of Abdullah throwing nothing. Because he can't do nothing, he doesn't know boxing. He knows how to throw, fight. My boxer can fight, he can box. So I was telling him, you now you come here, just box him. After that, you see, if he faint, you see Abdullah throw left hook. He went. And then my boxer will just do 2 punches. I said to him, now after round 5, I told him, don't go 4 punches, whatever punches, just 2 punches. Just 2 punches. If he's not straight, left hook. If he's not, you go 1-2 only. That's it. That's why we win the fight.
Shimanga Katompa, who do you want to fight next?
Alobi Shimanga Katompa olingo bundana nani?
Ok. C'est important, eza bitumba pona ngai. Vous voyez? Na ko bandana koloba, na ningi ko bunda. Parce que Abdul Mbappé aza oyasa aza 2e personne awa selon classement à Tanzanie. Le coup on a betu aza 2e personne, c'est que ezana oyasa premier azali. Alors premier Hollandais naza posa siko na bunda nae pour que na se rassurer que musala na ki osala na Tanzanie na kokisi yango. C'est un peu ça.
He come here to fight and then he fought the number 2. You know, he fought number 2 because Abdullah is a big boxer, he's number 2. Now, for him, he want to fight now. The one is number 1. Clean up. You know, you go to boxing rec check number 1 in super middleweight in Tanzania. We don't want to boost people. We don't want that. No. No, look, those are the fun. You guys, you was there, act the fun. Us, we want number 1 because we beat number 2. So number 1, who is number 1? So that's why we want to get number 1. After number 1, we finish Tanzania already. You finish Congo, you finish Tanzania, you finish who again? Where again? You know. Remember that he told you is B52. He finished already the game. So.
What do you do outside the boxing?
Alobi, ala des questions, anga ça. À part boxe, carré ni no sa musala musu ni no sala kana vina. Ozana ni profession musu suzani.
À part boxe, naza avocat na Congo. À part boxe, naza la profession ya avocat. Donc en dehors de ça, na cadre à loisir na beta rapé bal naza grand joueur ndé bo moninga vwe.
Without boxing, his profession is a lawyer, you know. He's a lawyer, you know. He's a lawyer there in Congo. So that's what he is. But he loves boxing, the boxer, but he's a lawyer. That's what he works for. You know, in Congo, he's a lawyer. And then without that, he likes to play soccer. He's a good player. Yeah, he's a good player. Position in the front, 10 and 9. Messi, he's a Messi. So that's what it is.
Shimanga Katompa, mbali na boxing, yeye ni mwanasheria lakini pia anaupiga mwingi. Ukishasikia mtu anaupiga mwingi, yani playmaker pale inside 10 anaupiga mwingi sana. Kwa hiyo silicha tu ya mikono, hata mali ipo mguuni humo. Kwa hiyo ukimpa nafasi anacheza pale namba 10 anakipiga. Natamani siku iwe hata mechi ya mabondia wakusanyike kutoka Kongo, Tanzania. Naweza kumuona Shimanga Katompa kaizima, katuliza, kafunga. In your native language, tell your people back home about your experience here in Tanzania and win in Tanzania.
Okay, ise alobi ala mposa yo oloba na lingala ko gagner na oloba ngo na lingala.
Pour na batu ya Congo. D'abord, na pesi non merci pour na soutien parce que Congolais nyonso azaki na sima ngai. Nazaki recevoir ba appel, ba message via WhatsApp. Na sentais vraiment que Congolais nyonso azaki na sima ngai, azaki na posa été na réussir na combat oyo. Vraiment na pesi merci ebele ya mingi. Na kobanda na ministre na biso ya sport oya lobby azo sala tout pour être biso ba athlète toyeba ndenge pe ya kozala na condition ya malamu. Donc alakaki pe akozala na politique ya proximité à l'endroit ya biso ba athlète. Les avions ma fierté malamu ya kozala ministre ya bongo. Et puis merci mingi na fédération na biso ya boxe na nzela ya Lina Box o ekambami na Mukadimanda na président Flori Movoto. Vraiment grand merci parce que ceux qui ezaki ba appui na bino pété quelque part ba mamuso ngeza bloqué. Na pesi bino merci. Merci pe na soutien ya ba sportif sans frontières. Na pesi maître Junior Katakata merci. Double maître pour na soutien. Merci na CG Mwata, merci na Fondé et puis Ngondo Marie à le cardinal. Merci pour notre soutien à Bino. Na club Fakoche de l'Université de Kinshasa. Merci pour notre soutien à Bino Nyonso. Président Guy Gérard, coach Michel Kanda, et coach Aimé Chomba et puis Baleki Nanga Nyonso. Oya ba boxeur. Na pesi merci pe na bénédiction ya président Adolphe Katende. Merci na ba boxeur nyonso ya Vita pour se batika nga na maboko ya Nzambe pour etena ba ko réussir na combat oyo. Merci pe na ba congolais nyonso o baza na kati ya Tanzanie pour na soutien bolingo o ba témoigner pa na ngai pour que na ba kozala na courage ya ko sala quelque chose na compte ya mboka na biso. Wana moni président Serge Abdallah. Merci beaucoup pour l'accompagnement. Merci pour la bandeko nyonso baza tout autour ya président Serge o ba accompagnant ki ngai na ba master nga mususu Abraham ba Sedou et les autres o bazali na bosante maman présidente atiaki pe ba prière na ye pour que to réussir na o ezaki comme bitumba yango to sengi na prochain combat o ezoya to meka un peu ko renforcer susu mobilisation et prière pour que tout atteindre au nini to ekoluka awa na kati ya Tanzanie. Merci beaucoup na bana nyonso université de Kinshasa, Christelle Mafou et l'assistante, banyoso bandeko nyonso ya komi ya quartier ya résidence Maluku. Mbote na bino et puis merci beaucoup plus na papa Chimanga Kalubi mon père et ma maman Marthe au batikala ki na ndako pour que basambela pona ngai. C'est vraiment un honneur pour moi. J'ai fait la fierté à la famille Chimanga. Na pesi ba Chimanga nyonso mbote. Et puis peuple congolais nyonso, merci pour na nyonso oyo bosali. Naibi ki amine nezoya. Coup de chapeau na président de la République, les premiers sportifs. Je sais que au côté peu le boko pour que tu ba ko réussir na oyo tozan comme objet.
Usisahau kusubscribe, kucomment, kulike na kushare ili kuwa wa kwanza kupata habari mbalimbali kutoka Dar24 Media.